So this is what my wife has been using in the kitchen to charge her iPhone. Yes, she has a stand and it's standing on top of Tupperware. So I knew that I had to find something that would work better for her in the kitchen. And I think I found just the perfect product. Hey, it's HighTechDad, and welcome to my channel. I do product reviews of family tech, home tech, other type of tech that you may or may not want, but I try to review the things that I think are really compelling. So about 2 months ago, Mophie reached out to me for a briefing on this product here. And when I saw it, I realized this is going to help solve that problem that I just showed about my wife putting a magnetic MagSafe charging stand on top of a piece of Tupperware. Very unstable, doesn't really look good. And so I got briefed on this, and this is the 3-in-1 extendable stand with MagSafe. It's got a telescopic arm that I'm going to show in a few minutes. And I thought it was really compelling. So why don't we do an unboxing, see what's inside, and then I'll sort of show how this thing works. So this is the box that it comes in for the Mophie 3-in-1 extendable stand with MagSafe. You can sort of get an idea of what this gadget is. You got your MagSafe charger for your iPhone. You have a charging station for an Apple Watch, and then a base for charging your AirPods. So fairly big box. It does say that the stand extends up to 16 inches, which should be more than enough for my wife. And you can obviously pivot the orientation and charge other devices. So let's take a look here. Did like this little thing here. Mophie loves you. So let's take a look and see how much love I can give Mophie back on this. So opening it up, hopefully you guys can see this. Pulling it out of the case. Nice display here. Mophie loves you, just like I said earlier. So this is the stand in the case. Comes all fully assembled, obviously. So there is the charger for your AirPods, watch charger, and a head for the MagSafe charging for your phone. And then there's the extendable head here, fairly easy to do. And there it is, fully assembled. Hopefully this fits into the camera. So let's see what else is inside the box. So probably buried within is the power cord. Taking everything out of here. There is a full-on wall power cord, and it's nicely packed in here, making it kind of hard to get out. I don't want to destroy all the packaging, but it looks like I can pull it out, and that's the power cord right there. So let's see if this little thing comes out. There we go. And here is the power cord. So fairly long cord, plugs into the back of the Mophie right in the side here, and has a little bit of cable management. So let's see how this works. Okay, so I plugged it in. I do like how the cord actually attaches into the weighted base, and it is nice heavy weighted base. So it's all powered up right now. It's in the lowest position. The power cord, I measured it, is a little bit over 4 feet, maybe a little short for some areas, but it's actually pretty good. So again, there are the 3 charging areas. So starting with AirPods, you can put them in there. As soon as I put it on, you saw the light turn on, light's green, these are already charged up. I take it off, the light turns off. So you always know that it is charging. So those are the AirPods. Apple Watch, you don't have to supply your own charger, which is really, really nice. And other stands that I've seen, you had to bring your own old Apple Watch charger. This one has it built in, put it on, it's charging up as well. And then lastly is the MagSafe on here. I have older iPhone, it's charging. It's got a MagSafe case on it. It seems to hold it pretty well. You can turn it sideways as well, so you can do the other types of displays. I have it enabled here, welcome to standby. So you can do a standby stand on it, which is kind of nice when you pivot it and then you put it up. So then the other great thing, obviously, I'm going to go off camera here because this extends up. So almost out of the camera right now, and it keeps going. So we're way above the camera. It's way up there. So let me take it off, lay it down so that you guys can see it. I did bring a tape measure here just so I can measure it. And so from the middle to the base is about 14 inches. So that is quite a lot, and it doesn't have a set height. You can adjust it, which is really, really nice. And then, I don't know if you can see this, this does pivot so that you can adjust the angle. So there you have it. This is the Mophie 3-in-1 extendable stand with MagSafe. Really, really great in terms of if you want to put it in a place where you need extra height, but then sometimes don't. So in the kitchen, it's ideal for my wife. Looks great on a desk, very modern looking. And the great thing is you can charge 3 devices at once. So highly like that. So you can read more about this on my website. I have a review of this product and other products on there, and that's at HighTechDad.com. You can ask me questions on social media. My social media handle is HighTechDad on a lot of different platforms. Head over to my Facebook page at facebook.com/HTDblog. And then you can also leave a question, comment, note, whatever you want on this video, leave it below. Please be sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel. I am doing lots of product reviews. If you have a product that you want reviewed, let me know. If you're a vendor or manufacturer, please feel free to reach out to me. So there you have it. Hope to see you guys all soon in my next video. Have a great day.